Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recreate this super easy and wearable look. So to get started, I'm going to prime and hydrate my face using the Too Faced Hangover Face Primer. Then I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Foundation. I'm going to apply this straight from the pump, then use my damp Real Technique sponge and blend this all over. I like to focus the color on the center or T-zone of the face and then work my way out. Then to highlight and add a bit more coverage, I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm going to use this on the under eye and T-zone, again to conceal any breakouts, dark circles, and to brighten. Now for setting, because I am combination skin, I'm going to use the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. This is in translucent, and I'm just going to blop that right over top the areas that I produce the most oil. So the T-zone would be the chin, nose, and forehead. I'm also going to do the under eye and underneath my cheekbones. While this is setting or baking, I'm going to take my contour. So using the Smashbox Trio, I'm going to use the lighter contour shade here and apply this in the cheekbone area, the sides of the nose, a little bit on my forehead and jawline. This is going to create structure and definition in my face, giving that really chiseled out look. Then just take a brush and wipe away all the excess translucent powder. To ensure that you don't have any powdery looking finish, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Hydrating 3-in-1 Setting Spray and just mist that on all over. Moving on to brows, I'm using the Sephora Waterproof Retractable Pencil and just filling these guys in as normal, making them a bit darker and overlining a bit to thicken them up. To add a bit of color to my cheeks, I'm using the Note blush here, and I'm going to place this on the cheekbones as well as the apples of my cheeks. I also like to place a little bit on my forehead and nose area just to give a very natural, flush look. This is one of my favorite recommendations for you guys. This is the ColourPop Flexitarian Super Shock Highlighter. Look at it. This is just touching it. So much pigment, so bright. Ah! I'm going to place this on the Cupid's bow above my lip, my cheekbones, brow bone, and down the bridge of my nose. Also, ignore the spray paint on my hands. That's for an upcoming do-it-yourself project that I will be featuring in a video. So keep your eye out for it if you're interested. I know it's a little distracting. This highlighter is everything. Highly recommend it. Check it out. Now for the eyes, I'm going to take the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow. This is a satin finish, and this is in the color Smash. This eye look is super subtle, but it adds just enough definition and drama to the eye. It looks like you put a lot more effort into it than we actually did. So taking my finger, I'm going to pat this color on the lid, but I'm going to focus the majority of it on the outer V and then lightly taper it in to the inner corner. You can see this shade is just a bit deeper than my skin. It's just going to darken the lid a bit and also add a nice sheen. Next, I'm going to take the color Pretty Lucky. This is a much darker color. This is more of a purple tone, sort of like a chocolatey brown purple, and I'm going to use a brush on the lash line about 3/4 of the way in, then lightly blend it out to give more of a smoky look. Now to really open the eyes, I'm going to add my mascara. First, priming them using the CoverGirl Lash Blast Amplify Primer. So I'm going to apply this just like mascara on the top and bottom lashes. Then right over top of that, I'm going to apply the CoverGirl Flourish Black Mascara. This is going to really open up the eye, adding definition, drama, darkening the lashes, but also giving them length. I don't typically wear eyeliner every day. If you want to add this, you could do that as well. Now for my lippies, I'm adding the ColourPop Ultra Matte in Naughty. This is a very light beigey pinky tone matte shade. Then over top, I'm going to add the color Rain. I'm actually going to focus this on the outer corners of the top and bottom lip, blending with my finger. So I'm leaving the original color as the focus in the center of the lip, so it's going to give the appearance of a fuller pout. Then to add a little bit of sheen to the lip, I'm going to apply a metallic glossy lip, and this is in the shade My Jam. So I'm going to apply this right over top and bottom lip. This pairs really well with the Flexitarian highlight that we have on the face and eye. All the products mentioned in this video are also listed in the description box if you guys are interested or want to shop any of them. So that is everything for this look. Super easy to do and really easy to recreate. This is perfect for day to night wear. You could also swap out the lip for a darker color to give a bit more drama. I would love to know what kind of videos you're looking for, so be sure to comment those down below. If you like these mini tutorials, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to make sure you are still subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.